Hey folks, Digital Fisherman here. If you've been thinking about a way to try to make some money from home online and you're overwhelmed because there's lots of information out there, let me help you. I was just like that last year. I knew there were ways you can make money and lots of different ways to make money. So I started doing some research, but there's so much information out there, I got overwhelmed. So I tried one program and went through the process of trying to learn how to do internet marketing online and did my best, and for whatever reason, it just didn't work out for me. But I kept pushing, I'm not going to stop. And after 6 to 8 months, didn't see any results. So I asked for a little help and didn't really work out the way I wanted it to. So I just kept pushing. Then I ran across a program that had a step-by-step program with a mentor that you can get to and have access to all the time. It's working out great. I have a weekly phone call with him. He goes over what I've done for the week. He gives me instructions on what to do. I also have a community of fellow people who are learning how to do the same thing as well, so I can bounce things off of them. And it's giving me everything I need to build a passive income business. So if you're interested in something like that, follow me, save this video, and join our community. It's that simple. No more looking around everywhere. Join our community and find a way and we'll give you all the tools you need to be successful. It's your time to win. There's no time like the present, so come on in and have a great and amazing day.